Hi, this is Gyuri. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to speak about the macros in mcedit. With the help of the macros, we could record our cursor movements and actions. After the recording, we could bind it to a key combination. Later, by using this hotkey, we could play back what we have recorded before. It is really useful if we have to do repetitive work and we could find a pattern in the series of events that we are using to transform our text parts. This is the point where we could use our text navigation skills and the shortcuts what we have learned. So let's get started. In this example, we will have a C source file, but we could use the same ideas in other text files as well. Insert a function named f. And triplicate it. Now we are giving different names to our functions. This is the point where I have realized that I have to modify the comments also, because they are inconsistent. The problem is that the comments talk about the function f everywhere. Moreover, if something has an end, it should have a beginning also, in most circumstances. So there are here at least two layers of inconsistency. Before start, we save the file by pressing F2. By default, if we use Ctrl-S in mcedit, it will toggle the syntax highlight. We start a recording by pressing Ctrl-R. The cursor is on the name of the function at the beginning. Go down 2 lines and 2 characters to the right, then delete and break line. Copy this comment line above the function definition. Select and delete the end word. And then type begin. Select the name of the function and use this permanent selection to correct the comments. Go back to the start position. Remove the selection. And press Ctrl-R to stop the recording. And now I will bind it to the character 0. We are done. Now we can use this macro to do the same job that we did, again and again by pressing 0. This makes this algorithmic text transformation really fast. Now we finished and we could delete the macro. Press Ctrl-R 2 times and then the hotkey what we want to unbind. Now we got back the original functionality of the 0 key. Maybe it was a too complex example at first. I will open a new file and give you a more simple example. We can write 1 and 2 by letters, and by numbers. Now we start a record. Type 1 with letters, and then assign it to the key 1. From now on, if we pressing 1, it will type it. To get back the number 1 literal, we have to unbind it. That's all. I hope I could show something useful to you. There is a little bit more advanced feature what we could use with mcedit macros when we are writing our program and binding its execution to a dedicated key combination. So in this way we could execute external scripts without invoking the user menu what we discussed in the previous video. If you are interested in, please leave a comment below and I am going to create a new video about how to do this. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.